a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. No suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill me.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, we are going to be doing a hair review on this beautiful effortless look from Hairvivi. I absolutely love this unit. I'll show you guys how the hair look on the side right here, so you can see how the hair looks when you first get it out the pack. Now this unit is a glueless unit. You don't have to glue it down, but you guys know me. I always glue my units down because I'm just a glue down type of girl. This unit is absolutely amazing. Now this is kind of like a Yaki texture hair, so the curls are not like at the ends. The curls are going to give you this beachy effortless type of wave. I feel like that hair does not curl tight at the end, but it still is really pretty. I absolutely love this hair. Like I said, this is the way the hair look when you first get the unit. So we're gonna get right into the unit, you guys. It is so beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and the lace is laying flawless. We're gonna jump right into gluing this unit down. The glue that I am using today is the Erica J glue, which is my favorite hold me down adhesive, and I'm also using the even lace Wonder glue spray, the one right here in the black bottle. This is the black bottle this is the spray that I love to use. I love to mix them together for a flawless install. So if you guys want to see how I got this look from Hairvivi, go ahead and continue to watch. The hair is so fluffy, and if you wanted to just, girl, is this deodorant? No, this is dry shampoo. If you wanted to give it that like really beachy look, I just use a little dry shampoo, and I just love the toss over, flip over method. It's just so effortless and so pretty, y'all. I love it for the spring and summertime. You don't have to worry about so much hair on your body and stuff like that. This is just so pretty to me. It's giving very beachy, and I love it. It's like the perfect beachy little short bob. I did not cut this. This is the way the hair, this is the length that the hair came. I did not bleach the knots. I did not pluck it. This is the way it came. So if you are interested in seeing this video and seeing how I slayed this unit, how I curled this unit, go ahead and continue to watch this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, you guys, so I'm just applying the glue. I'm taking a little bit because Hairvivi units are, the lace is so thin, y'all. You don't need a lot of glue because I notice it lasts longer when I don't use too much glue, and it looks more flawless when I just use a very thin layer of glue. But I keep on saying, you guys, you don't have to glue their wigs down. They are definitely glueless unit. Okay, I've showed you guys how you can just put Hairvivi wigs on and you can go. But I'm gonna glue this one down because I have somewhere to be, and I need my hair to be on, honey. I need it to be on. Okay, so now that this is pretty much nice and tacky, we're gonna go ahead and place our wig where we like it. Oh my gosh, I got a little glue right here, y'all. I don't know, a little spray. I wanna make sure that we place it where we want it because, baby, this lace is so thin, it is gonna dry quick. We're gonna hold it and push it down. Hold it and push it down. Hold it and push it down, ladies. Okay, you guys, so the lace is pretty much on. So I'm gonna cut in little sections. So I'm gonna use a blade And I'm gonna cut as much lace as possible off. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my time. It don't have to be super neat. Look at that. Look at that hairline. Whew. Yes, hairline. Yes, hairline. We love that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this side off because y'all see how I just did that. Oh my gosh, I haven't even hot combed this yet, but girl, it still look good. Looks perfect. Okay, you guys, so the hair is pretty much glued down. I mean, I still see a few pieces that I have to like go back and like make sure that I glue it down a little bit more. Yeah, but anywho, we're gonna go ahead and tie this hair up a little bit, just so it can look as flawless as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair. I didn't know if I wanted to use like a flat iron to do flat iron curls just because it's easier and it's a little tighter, or I was gonna do like curlers, but I think I'm gonna just do flat iron curls. Really easy, nothing too much. I don't want it too curly, just some nice little curls, because when I got this unit it did come with curls, but like I told you, I washed it. I don't know, y'all, I just like washing my hair. Yeah, so I just washed it, and I'm not gonna put too many layers or anything in this unit. I just want a really nice, easy like just some curls, but nothing too much. Just a little bend, just a little bend like this. I'm just gonna take my curlers like this and just push it to the back like this. Something like that. You get what I'm saying? And I'm gonna do that all the way around. I'm gonna do this over because this one kind of is not done. See, those type of curls all the way around. Y'all, this is gonna take me a little minute, so I'm gonna look at some YouTube videos, but I just wanted to show y'all how I was doing it. It should take me probably about 15 minutes. Oh, now that curl is so curled, but it'll fall. One thing about flat iron curls, it will fall. So make sure you use big enough pieces so you don't have like super small curls, because I want them to be kind of I don't want them to be too tight. So yeah, let's do this all the way around, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. And one thing about this hair, for it to be like a kinky, well, I feel like it's like Yaki. I'll leave the exact details of this unit down below, but I do feel like it's like a Yaki texture, and it's curling so good. It's curling so good, but I think I'm curling it a little too tight, but I know the curls will fall. Okay, you guys, so here is the final look. I kind of let the curls relax a little bit. Now I feel like this hair, okay, so I curled the hair, you guys, but I feel like due to the fact that this is like a kinky type of hair, the ends don't really curl tight. It only curls like, I don't know, it just curls like blunt, like a beachy type of wave, but it is really cute. I still like the vibes of it. But I think because it's kinky hair, like a Yaki hair, hair. Can't talk tonight. The ends really don't curl as tight as I want them to curl, but it is still really beautiful. The lace went really cute. I'm definitely going to be wearing this for the summertime. It's not a lot of hair. It's perfect for the summertime, so I don't have to worry about all that hair down my back. You guys know I love these little cute little bobby type of wifey bobs. That's what me and my friends call it, wifey bobs. So this is the finished look, you guys. You can wear it in any way. You can wear it with the part down the middle, a side. You know me, I like a little flip over. I love a little cute little flip over, a little effortless moment, but it is really cute. So I'm gonna leave everything down below for you guys in the description box. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you check out Hairvivi, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye guys.